everybody, and welcome to this video on compound interest. In this video, we're having a look at how to calculate the interest rate given the accumulated amount, the principal, and the number of years. So let us start with an exercise. So here we've got a table where we have to fill in the blanks. We're given the A, P, and the N, and we have to solve for I. So let us start with the first one. Our A is 32,400. Let's use a thinner pen. Our P is 12,000. And our N is 5. We're going to substitute it into the formula. So here we have A is equal to P1 plus I to the power of N. That's the compound interest formula. So 32,400 is equal to 12,000 times 1 plus I. That's our unknown, I to the power of 5. So the first thing is we're going to divide both sides by 12,000. So we have 32,400 divided by 12,000 is equal to 1 plus I to the power of 5. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take the fifth root of each side to get the 1 plus I by itself. So the fifth root of 32,400 over 12,000 is equal to 1 plus I. And then lastly, we subtract 1 on each side to get I by itself. So I is the square root of 32,400 over the fifth root of 32,400 over 12,000 minus 1. Okay, so typing that into the calculator, we write that it is the fifth root of 32,400 over 12,000, and we write it as is in the calculator, so without, you don't have to manipulate further. And then we get that I is 0.219755. Okay, to convert this to a percentage, so if you'd like to write it as a percentage, you multiply it by 100, and then our percentage is 21.98%. So the first one is 21.98%. Okay, let us have a look at the second one. So the second one, essentially, how long does it take to double? So again, we're going to start with the formula. A is equal to P1 plus I to the power of N. Substituting A is 20,000 is equal to 10,000 times 1 plus I to the power of 8. So what interest rate do we double our amount in 8 years? So dividing both sides by 10,000, we get 1 plus I to the power of 8 is 2. So then what we do is we take the 8th root on both sides. And finally, to get I by itself, we subtract 1 from the 8th root of 2 minus 1. Typing that into our calculator, the 8th root of 2 minus 1 is equal to your I is 0.0905077. So again, multiplying by 100 to write it as a decimal, it's 9.05%. So that's the one that we have there, 9.05. Okay, I hope that you guys are pausing the video to attempt this by yourself before doing it together. So then let us look at the third one. We have A is equal to P1 plus I to the power of N. Our A is 16,400. Our P, our original amount invested, is 4,000, and our number of years is 23. So once again, we divide both sides by 4,000, and we get, I'm simplifying it, 41 over 10 is equal to 1 plus I to the power of 23. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take the 23rd root of both answers to get 1 plus I by itself. And then finally we subtract 1. So I is equal to the 23rd root of 41 over 10, or 4.1 if you'd like, minus 1. So then once again, typing that into our calculator, the 23rd root of 4.1 or 41 over 10 minus 1, our interest rate is 0.063268. And multiplying it by 100, we can get the interest rate is 6.33%. And that is the final one, 6.33%. I hope that you have understood this video. Please watch our other videos on compound interest for more information. Thank you for watching. Bye.